Hello everyone! Here are the two PNP machine versions, AFARCO IRON PNP and AFARCO MINI PNP. I will show you the similarities and differences between these two versions so that you can make a choice that fits your need. First, both versions use a thin-seal aluminum frame system, featuring two suction nozzles and an automatic nozzle changing station. The major distinction between the AFARCO IRON PNP and the AFARCO MINI PNP is that the AFARCO MINI PNP's electrical system is external, completely detached from the machine frame. As for the AFARCO IRON PNP, the electrical system is located inside the machine body and includes a mini PC. You can connect directly and start operating it. Meanwhile, for the AFARCO MINI PNP version, you will use your personal computer for control. This compact design helps you reduce costs and facilitates easier transportation. Another difference between the two versions is the number of feeder positions. The AFARCO MINI PNP version is equipped with only one row of feeder bays at the front, offering 20 positions. Therefore, the working area of this version will be larger. As for the AFARCO IRON PNP version, it is equipped with two rows of feeder bays, front and back, with a capacity of up to 40 positions. Because it had a larger number of feeder positions, the working area of this version is smaller. And those are the prominent differences between the two versions. Regarding the overall structure, the motor electrical system, and the drive and transmission system, both versions are completely identical. Because the AFARCO MINI PNP was designed and developed from the main platform of the AFARCO IRON PNP. Above is the comparison between our two PNP machine versions. Have you chosen the right version for your need yet? Last, contact us for further consultation. Thank you and goodbye!